Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily import products from dropship.io to Shopify. So all you have to do is head over to dropship.io, then make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just look for settings that can be found at the bottom left corner of the screen. Just click on it. Then in the settings page, you're going to need to connect your Shopify store. All you have to do is paste your Shopify store URL, then click on connect. You will then be redirected to your Shopify admin store page. All you have to do is install dropship.io. So once your Shopify store is connected to dropship.io, just head back to dropship.io, and in the left panel, just click on product database. And from here, you can see a list of products that you can import to your Shopify store. To import a product, just click on the three dot icon, then click on import to Shopify. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!